Hi, good evening. How was today? Hope all have made some profit today because today there was a mild movement but not much directional move. Today it was favored for both buyers as well as sellers. The small the terms of in terms of small quantity. So now you can see here. Here you are seeing uh, Nifty 50, Nifty 50. The first candle you can see I am marking here. First candle. First candle is this is the bottom. Okay, and this is the top. Okay, top I am putting as a resistance, green, red color. Bottom I am putting as a green color. So if you see here, the second candle is going little bullish mode. So now in the ISM oscillator, if you see, ISM oscillator is in the bottom, but green, showing green, but it is below the zero line. Same way, accelerator indicator is also below the zero line. That means there is the momentum is not picking up. Now for the this one means the bullish momentum is not picking up. So now we select, because now this first candle was closed near about 24,679. So what we will do it, we will select the 24,700 C and 24,700 C and 24,600 P. We will select 24,600 P. 100 point below we will take it. 24,600 P and 24,700 C. So if you see the 24,700, the first candle, that also will mark it. This is the first candle. Same way in the P chart also will mark it. You can see clearly in the first candle, C side not giving the breakout because the spot also, you can see that spot is also going in the bullish mode. So it is not getting breakout, but inside candle, made inside candle. You can see here the first candle and second candle. The second candle is within the first candle. That is we can call it as a inside candle. That means inside candle means we can see the direction whether it is going bullish or bearish, that which side it is going, then based on that we can able to take the trade. And also here if you see, as per our strategy, from third candle onwards, our awesome oscillator as well as accelerator indicator, everything is supporting. So that is why I am waiting for the breakout. So what I did today, this is the breakout. This candle means 9:30 candle was the breakout. Here I got the breakout. So I put the stop loss trigger order around 141. I entered here 141. Then immediately I put the stop. I changed the stop loss. I changed the stop loss to here. First candle means 141 I entered, 160 is the stop loss, 19 point is the my risk. Again, second candle if you see, which is closing below the our this thing entry. Again I am putting the stop loss to top of the this thing. What I see did 141 I entered. Now my stop loss is 146. That means 5 point I am taking the risk. If you see next candle is the green candle. As per our logic, the green candle we should not trial. We used to keep the trial as it is in the same candle. So means another next candle means around 9:45 candle got hit, means stop loss got hit. We lost around 500, 5 point. 5 point. SL hit. SL, it is not a pure SL, it is TSL, trailing SL. TSL hit 5 point loss. Okay, no issue. So let us see. This is the 5 point, first trade 5 point loss. Okay. So again, what I am saying, what I am seeing, so here it is already stopped. So now again I am putting, this is the fractal, I am changing this one, means entry is 130. So now I am again, I got the entry 130, my stop loss I am changing to this one around 136. Next candle, if you see, that is a green candle, so that means we will not change the stop loss. Immediate next candle got red candle, 10 o'clock candle, so now I am changing the stop loss. Now this trade already we are in the profit of around 4 point, means 130 we entered, now 126 here, 126. Immediate next candle also green, red, then again changing, and immediate next candle also red, 10 candle, again I am changing to bottom. So means 118, 130, 118 means 12 point. Here second trade we booked profit of second trade booked profit of 12 points. Okay. Second trade we booked the profit of first trade. First trade TSL hit 5 point, second trade we booked the profit of 12 point. So now it is there, now it is getting reversal. So now I will have to see in the PE side. So PE side, if you are seeing, you would have asked, sir, you would have asked why in the PE side in the first candle 915 candle is got breakout, why you are not taken the entry? Yes, why we are not taken the entry? Because Austin oscillator is not in the supporting, that is a green, and accelerator indicator is also not supporting, and both Austin and accelerator indicators are green, and PSAR is also in the bottom, and this candle is within the alligator area, over the alligator area. That is why we are not taking the P side, or we have taken only from the C side. Okay, now if you see here, now we stopped around near 10-15 candle we got stopped. If you see 10-15 candle in the P side is got the, now it is slowly getting reverse. But whereas all the alligators are in the top, and the PSAR is also top. So when it is coming here, so we'll have to wait and see whether it is changing or not. So if you see here, the PSAR is also already got changed, and but the which is a red candle, and this above the red line of the alligator also. That is why we are not taking the risk. We are just keeping with that. But even though we can keep the stop loss entry order, we can just check the things. If it is breaking 153, if it is breaking 153, we can able to take it. That is what we put the things, because here Austin oscillator and the accelerator indicator both are supporting it. So if it is breaking, automatically this alligator is also break the red zone. So if you see here around 10:50, 10:45 candle got entry, gave the entry around 153. 153 gave the entry, but whereas if you see here, this is all green candle. That is why I am not changing the stop loss. Stop loss I am putting, I entered around, I got the entry 153 and 163 I am putting the stop loss. So next two candles are green. That is why I am not putting changing the stop loss. I am just keeping as it is. Then afterwards 11 o'clock candle got a red candle. So again I am changing the stop loss here. That means 155. 153, I entered 153. Now 150, near about 2 point I am just risking. Then again, it is a red candle. Next candle red. Again, changing the stop loss. Now I am in a profit of 2 point. Then again, next candle is red. Again, changing the, I am changing to 146. Now we are in good profit. Then again, it is a red candle. I am changing to 144. Again, it is red candle. I am changing to 137. Again, it is red candle. I am changing to 130, 133. Bus. Afterwards, you see that is a green candle. So I am not changing. I am keeping the this thing to 134. It is no 134. Then next immediate next candle is red candle. Then again I am changing to here. So 130. So then again this is also red candle. I am changing here. Now this is the candle which is green means green candle. So here if you see this is a red candle, we put it. But here one thing we'll have to see. So here I'm not changing it. I'm keeping as it is. I'm keeping as it is the 128. I'm keeping as it is 128. But even though one signal, one indicator is here. If you see here, you got the indication of the awesome oscillator indicator. You got it here. So if it is awesome oscillator indicator is there, particularly if you are continuously two awesome oscillator means accelerator indicator is giving the green signal, then immediately we can close the we can change the stop loss to close to the candle. But here I am not changing because it is already near to the candle. So if I am closing also another 3 to 4 point I can able to take it. But I am not changing here. I exited by 128. Means I entered 153, exited 128. That means near about 25 points. Here we booked solid 25 points. Okay. Here we booked a third trade, we booked 25 points. Now it is got slowly getting reversal. So now we'll have to see after this thing means 1140. 1140 here we'll have to see in the P side, C side. C side whether it is any entry is there and we'll see, check up. 1140 it is there, getting reversal, but whereas awesome oscillator is in the green only. When it is changing the red and here also bottom also changing the red, this is the line. Here we can able to take the this thing means put the stop loss trailing order. That means here that is a area. Here we put the around near about 128 we gave the means put the stop loss order, but that was triggered around 1230. 1230 means around 128 we got triggered. Immediately next candle was the red candle. I put the red candle and that is around 119. 128 119 means near about 9 point we are in profit. But whereas that's got stop loss got means trailing stop loss got with here also fourth trade we booked 9 point. Fourth trade booked 9 points. Then afterwards we'll have to see whether it is anything there in the this means C side. It's a P side. If you see 1240 if you see in the P side, no, that awesome oscillator and the accelerator indicators are not supporting that, hence we are not entering. Here indicators are supporting, but where if it is supporting also we can able to take the trade below the this one only. Means we can able to take the trade where we can able to take this area below the this one or this below this one. So below the fractal of this one or this one. So in that area if you see this candle is the giving the entry, means here this candle is giving the entry 125 we got we entered 125 means around this candle 126 we entered, and immediately got the next candle is green. So this candle I am keeping here because once it is going down, then next candle here only 120. This candle we entered around 126, then stop loss kept 135, means around 7 point. Here we lost around 7 point. Fifth trade. Yes, sir, hit. Fifth trade. Then afterwards, if you see here, no nothing, no entry here, no entry in the further P side. If you see C side, if you see here, if we want enter, means here there is no trade, net trade, no trade. Here there is a trade. 425. Here, if you wait and see here this area, that also not trade because this accelerator indicator is not supporting it. So here the further there is no this thing. Accelerator indicators are not supporting it. So afterwards, after 3 o'clock, there was a support is there, but there is no breakout is not there. So hence here you can see here C side, we first trade we lost 5 points, second trade we booked 12 points, third trade we booked 9 points. That means 21 minus 5, near about 16 points. C side 16 points we booked, and P side first trade 25 points, second trade last 7 points. 7 point means around 18. So total we booked today 16 plus 18. $34. Yes, this is the today's trade, because we every day we cannot able to get the trade, get the quantity of around more than 100 point or 200 point. Today it's not a bad day, around 34 point we booked. That is also good for us. Thank you for watching. Just to go through again and again, and minutely you'll have to see the your entry point, and immediately we'll have to put the stop loss for the previous candle, and wherever we are seeing the green candle after stop loss, after putting the stop loss, then we are keeping the stop loss as it is. So if it is forming red candle, immediately continuously forming red candle, we are trailing the stop loss. Then this is the very simple method. With this, daily if you are following the same thing, same method, without any means fear or greed. So if you are constantly if you are taking the trade now, then every month you will be in, month on month you will be in profit only. But only thing, we will not take the trade continuously, means consistently. One day we will take the trade 100 quantity, other day we will take the 500 quantity, third day we will take the quantity of 50 quantity. Like that we will oscillate here and there. That is not a point. If you are 1 month, if you see 1 month, there is a 20 trading days is there. If you want to take the quantity, if you want to take the 100 quantity, you total whole 20 days trading days, you just take only 100 quantity only, so that your profit and loss will be equally managed, and end of the day you will be in profit only. And the same way next, if you are in profit in the first month, then second month you can able to increase the quantity from 100 to 150 or 200 to 200. Like that you can just increase the quantity, and that month whenever you are starting the month starting, whenever you are putting the quantity, same quantity till month end you will have to follow. You should not means change the trade. For today, for example, today 100 quantity we have taken first trade. Second trade also 100 quantity we have taken, and still today we took total 5 trade. Fifth 5 trade. 5 trade means every trade we used to take only 100 quantity, and based on your capital as well as risk of trade. If you want to take 1,000 quantity, you take all 5 trade, you take 1,000 quantity. And if you want to take 2,000 quantity, you take all the 5 trades 2,000 quantity. So that one trade if you are losing also, other trade you are profiting. So the end of the day you will be in profit only. Same way end of the month you will be in profit only. So this is the method. If you require anything further doubt or anything, just ping me. I will give the clarification. Thank you for watching.